Hello, sir. Today I am going to explain our immune system regarding how coronavirus attack our body. Our body have ability to protect itself from variety of hazards, not only with physical composition of the atmosphere, but from many dangerous microbes such as bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and viruses like corona, which is also called COVID-19. In my previous article, I have tried to explain some of the basics. In this article, I will try to explain some of the facts how coronavirus, any other group of retroviruses attack our body and our body respond to and reacts to attack viruses. It is a kind of chemical tag of wars. Our immune system consists of basically innate or non-specific or first line of defense and acquired immunity or a specific immunity or second line of defense. Here I will try to explain second line of defense, which gives major immunity to us. Second line of defense mechanism includes number 1, cellular barriers like leukocytes, neutrophils, monocytes, macrophages. It releases histamine with the help of mast cells, which gives inflammatory reactions during allergy. Question is that how a specific defense mechanism works. So it works by its specificity, diversity, discrimination between self and non-self cells and tissues, and most important, memory cells. Two major types of specific immunity are humoral and CMIS. Humoral immunity includes body fluid, serum, plasma protein, and antibodies. Antibodies are produced by our B cells or B cytotoxic cells produced by bone marrow tissues. CMIS, cell-mediated immune system. It includes T cells, which are produced by our thymus gland. It is of 3 types. First, helper T cells, sensitive T cells, and most important, killer T cells. Killer T cells can be monocytes, macrophages, etc. Helper T cells collect all the informations of non-body cells or molecules, and it provides to B cytotoxic cells or B cells. Now B cells in the presence of information provided by helper T cells are able to produce antigen-specific antibodies, anti-cells specific antibodies, and also memory cells, plasma cells. Remember, memory cells are those cells which is developed after vaccination, and it gives all-time immunity. I can say whole life immunity against that antigens. Antibodies have diversity, and it can be antibody A, antibody D, antibody E, antibody M, and most abundant antibody G. IgG in shortcut is the major ones. Memory cells gives us secondary immunity for life, just I have said. Structure of viruses, especially retroviruses. Retroviruses are a group of most dangerous and harmful viruses.